What's up, everyone? Big things are happening in CLM right now, and if you're playing or thinking about jumping in, you need to watch this video until the end. CLM just dropped a major maintenance update, and one of the biggest changes hits the token economy directly. We're talking about the conversion and minting system for the Schiltz token. Before this update, the conversion and minting fee was sitting at 5%. Now, after the maintenance, that rate has moved to 30%. Now, I know what you're thinking, but hear me out. This change isn't random. It's a deliberate move to strengthen the in-game economy, reduce inflation, and make the Schiltz token more sustainable long-term. A healthier token economy means better rewards, better gameplay, and a stronger community overall. This is the kind of structural move that serious Web3 games need to make to survive and grow. Let me give you an example. In this video I made at the launch of the Schiltz token, its initial price was 5 cents. In the video, I talk about the game's strong structure and how it had the potential to increase 2 to 3 times in value since the game is seasonal and there isn't constant token dumping. In other words, the growth potential is very high. Now let me show you today's chart 20 days after the token launch. The price is 21 cents, 4 times higher than the launch price. That means I was correct. And not only that, the token even reached 35 cents, which is 7 times the initial value. For a Web3 game in the current market, this is a massive milestone, and it's completely free to play. If you want to follow the Schiltz chart and see the token in action, check it out the website. You can track the movement and stay on top of the economy in real time. And speaking of being part of this, Crosswave Creators campaign is running right now. There are only 8 days left, so if you're a content creator and you want to be part of this ecosystem, get in now while there's still time. The link to join Creators campaign will be on the video description. So you might ask me, is it worth playing Season 2 of CLM? And the answer is yes. It's absolutely worth it. The game is free, and on top of that, you still have the chance to earn while playing. In Season 1, I earned a lot of tokens for free, and I'm going to earn again in Season 2. And I'll definitely be playing Season 3 as well. The game is consistent, and right now I'd say it's the best Web3 game of the year. It's very hard for another game to have a system as good as CLM. I can confidently invite my friends to play because I know the game is good, it's fun, and it's free. I don't spend anything to play, I just enjoy it and can even earn while doing so. That's it for today, my friends. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll respond as soon as possible. Stay safe, and see you next time.